I was gonna go ahead and move this out.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, well, that's the lead bricks, huh?
It's
Yes,
not
these
gonna
are the lead
explode.
bricks.
And they got to be very heavy.
Here's the DD generator right here.
Okay.
Right, that you were talking about,
The
there's your
neutron
lead
source.
bricks.
And there's your bricks that weigh a ton.
I have a question. How much does each one of them weigh?
They're pretty heavy. I mean, you're welcome to pick it up if you want, but it's pretty heavy.
They're
Oh,
lead
yeah,
bricks?
yeah.
Should you touch
Lead.
them when you're
I will pick it up, but
If they're made of lead?
You can. I mean, you'd want to wash after. But,
okay, stand there and we'll get you.
And here's my
My
oscilloscope.
white thing is messed up here.
Oscilloscope.
So,
Smile to me, babe.
to get your oscilloscope made to the specs you were wanting, you had to talk with your engineers about what you were looking for.
No, I mean, we already kind of knew what the signals were going to look like. I mean, I had experience with that. But
Yeah, but they had to build this for you, right?
Ready?
this was already built.
This
Yeah.
was-
Okay, so what's going on here? High 60,000. That's awesome. So not all this equipment you used in here. Well,
No.
you showed that.
I showed this.
Oh, that one over there.
Yeah, that's the data acquisition I would like to use. But it looks on YouTube.
Oh.
I could do the whole thing. Oh my goodness.
I told you they're heavy.
This is like 30 pounds.
Yes, no, they're heavy. I told you.
That
It was a
lead
separate-
is
That is, I consider myself strong, and that's heavy.
Yes,
Okay.
it's lead. It's dense. And that's why. That's why you didn't.
Wait, I want that. That's going on YouTube for sure. You can pick it up, Grandpa. That was my left arm.
What, maybe 60 pounds?
You think it's that?
I don't think it's
You got a scale?
Put it
Is there a
down.
scale?
No, I don't know. But
I don't think it's 60 because I was holding it like that.
Looks like it's got maybe a
Let's see.
plastic coating on it.
it might have something on it.
No, it's not
Do
60.
your barbells.
Why do I hit myself in the head? No.
Or your father does.
It might be a good
could
40
half
though.
that, yeah.
But you know, you're used to something that size weighing a certain amount. You know, even if it's metal.
So don't lift up this side of the cart because that side's got a little weight on it.
Yes. Yeah.
Well,
It's very heavy.
yeah, the wheel, yeah, they're right up by here.
Here's my SF.
SF6 says helium compressed
Helium.
right there.
Oh, this is helium. I don't know what they were planning on doing.
I know what to do with
I know
that.
what they're doing. They're going.
Okay, what were you going to show me over here?
Randy, it's just some kind of an ion chamber.
No, this is a mini version of the drift experiment.
Does this thing come apart? It looks like this is a shield or something.
Yes, this is just so this underneath here is desiccant, which absorbs water. So we have the detector sort of loosely in this low humidity environment.
This is where the gases are being pumped in?
Yes. Yeah. So I can those canisters. I connect the gas line to here, and then I rotate them, both of them, and then the gas goes in. And I have not shown here was
So how are
pressure
you
gauge.
regulating how much?
There's a pressure gauge that comes off here. It's not on here now.
So
This
you're
is,
not regulating with the shutoff.
This
You're
is this is
regulating-
not in
dial?
ready to be used right now. But normally there'd be
Well,
there'd
you-
be this right here. This is a barytron, so it measures the pressure.
So you have a view hole that you actually.
This is where the laser would come in.
So you do everything what shows
Yes,
up on
they-
computers. Huh?
They've decommissioned everything, so it's not in use.
What is this?
There's the laser over there actually.
Oh, that's for a different thing. Maybe.
This is for pumping out the detector. So I
So
connect
what are you gonna
I
do
connect
with
a
that
pump
now?
here
'Cause, I mean,
and
that's all
I
that's
pump it out so
right?
it's at low pressure. So right now it's at near vacuum right now,
Yeah.
but
What issues did you have with it?
If we
Did it
pulled
give you
this one, it
problems
wouldn't be
with it?
vacuuming.
oh, I got a lot of issues. I mean, one issue is that since it's acrylic, it emits. There's a lot of water that gets contaminated into the gas mixture, and that's why we tried to add desiccant. I didn't even talk about that, but the signals get really messed up when you
Yeah, you
add
did say
because of
something about-
water.
Because of moisture.
Acrylic getting through it, and that you were using the lead to try to help.
Not with water contamination.
No,
No.
not with
No,
water.
I literally
but
had
with
every
acrylic.
problem that could have happened.
So do you think you were better off being in a desert doing this? Probably.
Yeah,
There's drier
still too much-
situation.
There's still too much water here. Yeah,
Now,
we need
if-
to be on Mars.
If we pull this lever down right now, it would mess up your vacuum, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It would suddenly you'd hear this huge like boom, and it'd be filling up. And it might actually pop the ends off. These are just held on by pressure. So there's nothing like holding them on other than the fact that
The
the
suction.
atmosphere is pushing on it.
Oh, okay, yeah, because
So if you did that,
so that
it would
vacuum
pop
is
off.
inside of this whole thing, or just
No,
inside?
just
of
inside of the tube.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And how
this
much
here,
of this-
Actually, inside of here is my Cobalt 60 source. Those Cobalt 60, the gamma rays, inside of this.
Well,
So
move
this
your hand.
this is surrounded by lead, so that it absorbs all of those gamma
Basically, it's a
rays.
shield.
So there's no radiation
Yeah.
from that.
Did you have to have some shield for yourself?
When we
using
were
this?
moving it,
Would you-
I mean, I wouldn't hold it with my hand. I would use like a stick and put it. But
So what did
You
you
did
build
not
yourself?
protect your.
what did I build myself?
Did you build this one?
No, that was designed by Eric Lee. I designed that Rito.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
That's the DD generator. That's my neutron source. These are some of the power supplies. that
Well,
I
don't
use,
think
but-
I understand everything you're talking about.
This is the source of neutrons.
Yes.
That's the bottle of CF4 right there.
How do you? Okay, see, that is pure CF4.
That's pure CF4. So I have to take a little bit of that and a little bit of SF6 in order to get my. I have to be very careful, like turning the knob. To get
So can you get CF3?
No, CF3 doesn't occur like naturally. I mean,
So this is a naturally occurring one.
yes.
You can find CF4. Okay. Say it again.
This is similar to the drift experiment. This is a mini version of that. So I didn't talk about any of this, but I did several experiments inside of here. This is just a vacuum vessel, a large vacuum vessel. But I did like some other experiments in there that took quite a while.
I
I
know.
put
Pomodoro. It's like this red, yeah. Fresh bagel.
We're gonna get
And-
tickets.
Interesting.